Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most, boy. My head frig up to the Jano. After lately, we've been doing a lot of the serious topics about, you know me, I said the channel got a little bit serious, right? So, not since Macadam and Wig get dragged off on stage have we had a chance to actually do something light and more funny. Or the time when we do the one with the star fruit and the youth them teeth star fruit off of the man tree and left one message saying too mean with it. Not since then we had a chance to do. Everything's gotten so serious on SouFLoTV. So wake up this Saturday morning now and I said to myself, say, let's do something funny also. Somebody sent me this and said, SouFLoTV, you have to talk about this. Even though I'm going to make it serious in the end, right? But me still have to have a good laugh. So, Mama Spice, big up yourself. Spice have one song out there and the song is saying that the song I said, if stab it up and make she tear up the sheet and when she a whine, the body can't go in and stuff here something tight and them something there. You know Spice with a regular sex thing talk. People, Mr. Wack, me pass for me people them in a trouble here, man. Jano, I don't know if this is going to be funny or this will be sad. Me laugh about it when me first see it, but then it's like me do want to cry because when I watch the video, see video here and then talk to me. Here, look, look how that girl here I do, look. Look on them something I know. Who's supposed to take this and look on it and say it's sexy? Which part of this sexy? People don't talk the truth. God almighty, man, look on me woman them. Eh? Yo. And them same woman here can't tell about you if you respect them, you know. Them same woman here can't tell about you if you make love to them. Me not talk about that. Woo! A Sophia pum pum tough. People, listen, me I say so. Yeah, that pussy there tougher than jackass. You ever that pussy there tough. The pussy tougher than rock stone. You don't see all this stone that mash up on the pussy. Eh? All this stone that mash up, a big blood clot black and mash up on the pum pum. And what kind of pum pum she have? Eh? What kind of vagina does this lady have? This is not normal. This is absolutely not normal. And when them talk about black people and them say black people are the toughest of the toughest. But remember the slavery thing? Remember so them work out the Indian people them soul case, you know, or the Native Americans soul case on the plantation. And the people them die out quickly from them European diseases. And them die out quickly from being in the heat all day. Then them bring in some more deeply melanated people now, which are the African people them. Right? So one time my forefathers them come over and my foremothers them come over now, them black. And them used to being under the sun all day. So they were able to work the plantation. So they came up with this thing that black people are tough. We're tougher than rock stone. We can endure we can endure anything. I guess them have a record say black woman have the toughest pum pum in the world too. Because the way I wish she had do. Now, in all fairness, all fun and joke aside, man. All fun and joke aside. Wait. Before me go any further, look at this other one. And this me want to show you. And then we are going to talk because this no normal neither. Alright? Watch this video right here. I don't know what going on here, son. God almighty. I want woman that, you know. Girl back broad like. Watch your man. Ah! I want woman that, you know. That's a woman. Bumbleclot. Imagine that set. Yo, when man I go with that? Me pussy clot. Kuya. Ray. Alright, so all fun and joke aside, people. Between the girl that's mashing up her pum pum with the big old block and this that strong man woman there. Me don't know what else to call her, cause I don't want to disrespect the woman, but I find it very hard relating or believing that she's a woman because she don't look nothing like a woman. But anyway, the strong man woman there and the girl we are mash up is something, our pum pum with the black, with the big rock stone. This does nothing good for dancehall music. This does nothing good for black women on a whole. Let me break down these two things for you, okay? So we can get the frig out of here and get on to bigger and better things. Watch this. This does nothing for dancehall music, for one. You're going to talk about what we do for dancehall music, or you're going to talk about what... We're going to talk about what it does for the image of black women on a whole. And if you want to narrow it down, the image of Caribbean women, black women on a whole. If you want to narrow it more down, the image of Jamaican woman on a whole. What this does to our image on a worldwide scale. Now, I could talk about what this does to dancehall. When I watch videos and I see Russian girls I put on some sexy dancing and they are looking extremely feminine, and me go say Croatian girls and German girls are cut to some blood clot vibes cartel or some alkaline or some bounty killer or some whatever they're dancing to, dancehall music, right? And them look sexy as hell. And then we cut to this and we see something like this. Now, don't get it twisted. I am not under the impression that all our women dance like this. I know they don't. And I know that there are many that are disgusted by this. But remember, them always take the worst ones and use it, judge the majority. So, we can't make things get this bad. All the blood clot DJ they were in the background and talk about, yes, my girl, you work for cement factory, you work for black factory. Dirty bumble hole. A DJ like them, they mash up dancehall music. You hear me I say? Because them do this, they degrade the women in dancehall for a here and now kind of hype. Them degrade the woman them in a dancehall and not realizing that these videos go viral. Them go around the world. So when I'm traveling to other places in Europe and North America, and I hear the kind of comments that they make about my women, about our black women, it's disheartening most of the time. Because them I look pound like gorilla or monkeys. You understand? And should I even continue to explain this? Me no want to go on no more. Me vex. Me blood clot vex. Me not even vex, you know. Cross, miserable, angry like bounty killer and vex. With a B in it. Vex. Now I could talk about what I do for black women on a whole. When people overseas, you see, who have never seen black women before. Believe me, there are places in the world where they have never seen you before except for on TV. In 2017 here. So, one time we trod through them places now and we buck up into them people here, you fi hear the things what them have to say about for black woman them. On a big gorilla, monkey, animal looking. And that's the reason why the black men like us. Because you guys are like animals. You guys are like monkeys. You guys are like apes. Look at that one. Like, what kind of friggin' civilized human behavior is that? And that is her vagina. Now, SouFLoTV may not even want to address the big muscly one, you know. You know if you're going to do that in the comment section below. Matter of fact, to add some fun to this, my audience, especially the man them, would you date a woman that looks like that muscle man there? Muscle man looking woman there? Yes or no in the comment section, and why? Alright? I know say some man are going to say yes because I fit she fit, and you know say some man are going to say no man, this and that, and no that look like man, and she will lift me up and fling me away and them sitting there. Talk about that. Now back to the serious topic. Before I close out this video, in all seriousness though, listen, this is a psychological problem that we're witnessing. This is psychosis. No sane woman is going to do that right there. To them same woman they want a man to come fuck them, you know, and talk about make me feel it. Make you feel what? Make you feel what? What the fuck can I make you feel? Me no have stone wood. Me no have cinder block wood. So what can I make you feel when you have beat up your hole with that big old block there? My penis can't do nothing for you. There's no man on earth who can do anything for your hole. I see them when, and I've done these videos before, same like them woman there where I sit down upon them big old dildo there and do them something there. Like, no man out a road no strap like this. So, when you take time and insert things in your thing until your thing stretch way and gone out, and you beat up your thing so with big block and desensitize or something, then you turn around and talk about, Yeah, man, a small boy or small man or deadwood boy, like, yo, really? Someone need to really check on yourself. Really check on yourself. This is a psychological issue though. This goes deeper than what we're seeing on screen. Big up to Spice still, because Spice, even though it's her song, Spice came out and said she wants to find that girl because that girl actually needs help. She actually needs help, and I totally agree. That girl needs some serious psychological help. I know Spice I go pay for her, get some counseling or something, but there's an underlying issue going on there. I look at that girl and what I see is someone that has been abused, probably sexually molested in growing up, and probably still abuses herself. Because sometimes when females have been sexually molested growing up, they either go introvert or extrovert. So they either become real introverted, where them, or they turn the next way. They're turned off by men, so they go to women. Or you will find them going years by themselves. Right? They would have put them trust in a dildo before they put them trust in a man. Or you have the ones that go all the way the other way, where every man they sleep with because she's promiscuous now. But it's a psychological damage. That is what I am seeing when I look at this sister right here and see her do this to herself. People, want to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments right there in the comment section below and tell me what you think and what you see are going right here. So, me not too pre the big muscle man woman, you know, the gorilla, big back woman. Me not pre she. Me I talk about the one where I beat apart. See the video here. I'm out. Peace. Alright, so. Spice song a play in our background. Under the sheet. Stab out the meat. So we are gonna do it to me under the sheet. Stab out the meat. So we are gonna do it to me under the sheet.